In this lesson, I'm going to show you the proper way to lay a strip. So, one of the most important things is that we are staying on our edge. So what's that mean? So first, when you're applying a strip, you're going to deposit your wax, and then you want to be on your edge, meaning the side of your stick. We're going to come to the top, apply really great pressure so we can really move this wax and cover a decent area here. Then you're going to come back and thicken up the strip or expand it depending on where it is on the body that you are working. Then you create your lip. So let me show you. Let's focus first on being on our edge and why it's important. So oftentimes when I have students in, they will do what's called buttering. So we deposit, and then when they come to the top, they're laying their stick flat and not using enough pressure. So you can see that this wax, I was not able to move it as far as this. Also, it's not going to be effective because it's just superficially laying on top of the hair rather than getting a grip from the base, which then when we go to remove this strip is going to be removing from the root. So when we're on our edge, we're able to really push this wax, first of all, down to the skin. So we're shrink wrapping those hairs and we're able to cover a better distance. To remove a strip, we want to make sure we're getting a grip and then we're staying parallel to the body. So we don't want to lift. So you want to think of like an airplane taking off. So it's a nice gradual incline. An airplane would never take off just straight up. So just nice gradual incline. Same thing with our strip. Nice gradual incline. So you're making sure you're staying nice and parallel. Also, you want to pretend like your strip is not laid to here, but it's actually extended out to here so that we have follow through and we're not getting stuck at the end here. So an analogy I like to use is like a marathon runner. They're not going to run to the finish line. They make sure to run all the way through. So when we're removing our strips, we don't want to pull to the end of the strip. We want to remove all the way through. And that's going to avoid getting stuck and creating any lifting or bruising. Okay, let me show you again the proper way to apply. So again, we are on our edge. So you first deposit, come to the top of your strip. We're staying on our edge. We are not buttering. We're on our edge. See how thick that portion is where I buttered? Come back up. Just thicken up that strip. Now the lip, how to lay a lip or create a lip. You're just pivoting. So I'm kind of coming up on the tip of my stick and swooping outwards. So it's just a little pivot. So you're pivoting up and you're swooping all that excess wax out to the edge, creating like a little berm. Again, for removal, getting a little grip. And pulling all the way through, nice and parallel to the body. And then I always follow with my non-dominant hand and put immediate pressure.